What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna head back up to my brother's house to finish putting the fuel system in and hopefully get all the fuel lines on, get everything ready to go. Maybe fire it over today. Might not start it up, but at least test fire it and see what we get. Alright, so one of the next steps we gotta do is gotta get the fuel tank out, replace it with a GN tank. Got that tank right there, we gotta get it out. So we'll start pulling it out and then we'll get the fuel lines run up the side of the car. What's up, y'all? We're gonna drop this tank out. We got it out. We're gonna slide it out. Get all our tools out the way. Bolts. Step to get the fuel pump together. I got a Walbro 450 to go in there, and then we'll get the tank in there, finish the wiring, and do a couple other things. But for now, we're gonna put the pump together. All right. So you can see, we got the fuel pump together. I got a Walbro 450. Got it off eBay a while back when they were having a 20% off sale. So if you need to get it on the cheap, that's what I would wait on. But if not, Walbro 450 will do plenty for what I'm trying to do right now, which is an naturally aspirated LQ4 with some 80-pound injectors. So this should be plenty. Got the pump in there. We gotta get under there and put the fuel lines in. We'll get the fuel lines installed. These are ptfe lines. They come from Faster, the same place where I got my fittings. Already got a fitting on, but we're gonna get them put in the car. So get you under there. Alright, so we got to get the fuel tank in there. Cause I got some of the lines in there. We just got to make sure they fit. Make sure all the lines are in the right spot before we start cutting. And we'll put the other fittings on. I got a Y fitting to go up to the fuel rail. Got stuff to go to the regulator. So we'll get the fuel tank in there. This is a Grand National tank, by the way, with a Walbro 450. As y'all can see, fuel tank's in there. So we're gonna get over there and start cutting on lines, putting some of the other fittings on there. Y'all can see, we got the fuel line, or fuel filter in there. Just gotta tighten up a couple fittings, mainly. We'll come back through and check out these little wrenches once we get it done. Just getting everything in place. Alright, next fitting we're gonna put on is a Y fitting. It's gonna split my fuel, hit the fuel rails, but we're gonna put it down there somewhere, or right there in that corner. Y'all can see that's where the rail's gonna go, or Y it's gonna go. I'm gonna go up through there. Alright, here's the next fitting. That 180 goes down to the Y down there. Same thing on this side, so put a little time lapse on it. You can see that's one side in. Get the other side in over there. As you can see, there's where the regulator's gonna go. Got me fitting off one side, gonna run back over the other side of the rail. The way I brought my fuel system is I got two 8-ins coming up, going down to these 90 or 180 degree fittings, going down the rails, back into the regulator, and then I got a 6-in on the bottom over here that's gonna go right back down to the return line, and then back to the tank. Alright, so we're back in the garage again. We're gonna finish up that fuel system, and we're also gonna probably put on the intake today, and that'll probably be the last of this little video. And then next video we'll put some fluids in it and maybe start this thing up. So Yeah, we're gonna try to put this intake on right there. We got something kind of jerry-rigged up, but we're gonna do a little something different. I got an intake tube. I'll go that area, and I got a coupler, and then a filter might go over here. Who knows? But we're gonna get that on. So, all right. So there's my intake coupler. I'm gonna put an intake tube through there. Put my spectra filter on that I got from Summit. About 30 bucks, I think. And we'll drill a hole for the intake air temperature sensor. Go kind of like right there. And that'll allow me, you know, read my air intake temperature sensor in the computer. We'll be able to tune this thing up and get it started. And that's pretty much going to end today's video. So y'all stick around, watch some more Skinny Pedal Motorsports. You know what they say. If you ain't on the brake, you better be on the skinny pedal, son. See y'all later.